Hi guys, so this week we have been talking all about books, and these books are books that teach us something. So I have started a new book today, and I have thought about my topic. I'm going to teach you guys about cats. I know a lot about cats, so I have planned my topic. Next, I have sketched across all 3 pages to help me to remember. So on this first page, I'm going to write about a cat's face. A cat has 2 ears, 1 nose, and has whiskers and a mouth. So I'm going to write about the face. The next, I'm going to write about what a cat eats. So the cat eats cat food and drinks water. Next, I'm going to talk about a cat and it likes to climb. So it likes to climb up the tree. Okay, so on this first page, I said the cat has 2 ears and 1 nose. That matches my picture. 2 ears. I'm going to even write a label. Ears. And it has a nose. Okay. Next, this page is about what a cat eats. So, a cat eats food and water. A cat eats food and drinks water. Okay, so there's that page. And then on the final page, I'm going to talk about how a cat likes to climb up the tree. Cats like to climb trees. So I can go back and reread my book and make sure that it makes sense. The cat has 2 ears and 1 nose. Does my picture match? It does. A cat eats food and drinks water. Cats like to climb trees. When you're writing this book, make sure that your topic is the same throughout the whole book. So my topic was about cats, and each page is about something different.